Back to my more important analysis videos on Friday 28th of July with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec Markets. We're going to look at dollar yen now, which is a little bit mixed in the last sort of week or so, but the only real thing that's making it mixed is this one single sort of bull candle that we had on Tuesday. The rest of the candles have been in keeping really with the candles sort of trend that we've seen in the last 3 weeks really, where you get either a bear candle or a very neutral positive candle. So the market sold off on the back of the Fed on Wednesday. Interestingly, around that 1220 level, which 1220, 1240 is basis of resistance. And yesterday rallied to 1170, which arguably again is around that sort of 38.2% fib level, 1155. So there is still this downside pressure that continues on dollar yen. You got the momentum indicators which remain sort of correctively configured. RSI sort of camp below 50. MACD lines falling away. Stochastics rolling over again underneath 20. So it all looks fairly corrective still, and putting downside pressure on. Hourly chart is a little bit neutral, having sort of broken that downtrend. But generally speaking, you'd still sort of point towards the moving averages, which are falling. The momentum indicators mixed, I'd say, on the RSI. Hourly MACD rolling over under neutral. That's never really great. Interesting that that 1155 level sort of came back in again, arguably yesterday, as the basis of resistance. So it's putting pressure on the 1080 to 1060 support. 1080 being the reaction low here, and basically yesterday's low as well. So this is, and again today, fairly much. So this is sort of a band of support, 20-25 ticks of support between 1060 1080. That is holding for now, but seems to be having pressure put on it, and a break below 1060, and you're sort of back at these sort of 50% fib level area, aren't you? 935. So yeah, I think this would be a key breakdown if you saw 1060 breached. GDP today for the States. Expectation is sort of possibility of an upside surprise, even though the market hasn't really sort of pushed that stronger dollar move that we saw across the euro and sterling yesterday. You didn't really see that coming through on dollar yen. Interestingly, Japanese CPI overnight also in line with estimates, which helped to stabilise the yen and drew a bit of strength, but just unwound over in the last sort of few minutes, but yeah, or a couple of hours or so. But generally speaking, the market is putting pressure to the downside. So I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.